Okay, I'm here checking out this new Yocan Hive 2.0 variable voltage vape, and I just said this is the unboxing where I just received it. As you can see, it's got a very large battery. I believe this is like 6,800 milliamp hours, like two 16850 batteries, and then you screw into there. And then comes with all little accessories. I believe this is for wax. Oh wait, no, this looks like a 510 battery adapter, now that I look at it. Maybe. I'll have to look at the instructions. And this is a, this is of course a little thing to dab wax into it. Oh, I see. Okay, I figured it out. What it was, so this is where the juice goes. Basically, any oils go into here. And then that screws into there. And then you just suck on this end. Oh, this is magnetic. Haha, this is really cool. Very cool. So it's magnetic, and I was right. This was like a regular 18650. So if you wanted to do wax, then you would use this little thing. If you look down in there, on the end of this is actually a coil. It's a quartz coil for doing wax in this. I believe you can do dry herb in this, maybe. Not sure. So basically you put your little wax in there, suck on that end, and then of course it goes in here. Oh wait, you need to actually put the adapter on because this little end works on 510 thread, and then it just goes in there with magnets. So I'm gonna charge this puppy up and try it. Looks like it's got a little window there too on the side, yeah. So you can see when you're out of oil. Pretty cool little device.